Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your first online store in Odoo. So setting up your first store with Odoo is surprisingly fast because the websites, e-commerce, inventory, payment and orders all connect together automatically. So actually guys, first we'll need to create your Odoo database. So you will need to go to the official website www.odoo.com, and here you will need to click on try it free. All right, so this is the option that's located at the top right corner. So once you tap it here, you will need to go and choose the websites, e-commerce, blog, forum, e-learning, events, extra. Okay, so these ones for the website, sales, finance, services, and productivity, etc. Okay, so we'll go with websites, for example, and you can choose multiple. So let's go, for example, with these. And here you will need to enter your first and last name, company name, email, phone number, country, language, etc. Okay, and then just go with start now. And then just go with let's do it. Here you will need to fill this blank, right? And then go with get leads, for example, choose the colors for your website, and then choose, for example, about services, pricing plan, use, career, so the pages that you want to have on your website. And then just go with build my website. So this is the second or the third step. So here where you need to choose a website theme. Okay, so you can pick layouts, change colors and fonts, add banners and sections, edit pages visually with drag and drop inside them. Okay, so for example, we go with classic grid, the first one, and here you will need to choose your product page template, and then you will need to use or to choose your favorite theme. So for example, I will go with this one, right? So now you will need to wait a little bit. And there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.